Are you prepared? You may be familiar with the Boy Scouts. Did you know that the Scouts have a motto which Scouts learn early on in Scouting? The Scout motto is, "Be prepared," which means you are always in a state of readiness in mind and body to do your duty. As a finance officer for your company, are you aware that on February 25, 2016, the Financial Accounting Standards Board, or FASB, issued an accounting standards update intended to improve financial reporting about leasing transactions? Are you prepared? This update affects all companies and other organizations that lease assets such as real estate, airplanes, and manufacturing equipment. Yes, this means you have a lot of work in front of you. In fact, your peers have a lot of work in front of them too. There is a $1.25 trillion of off-balance sheet leasing commitments that will need to be examined and then possibly recorded on the balance sheet of public companies. We are Avis & Young, and we are experts in preparing for these huge changes. What are the core principles of the new standard? The new standard will require organizations that lease assets, referred to as lessees, to recognize on the balance sheet the assets and liabilities for the rights and obligations created by those leases. Under the new guidance, lessees will be required to recognize assets and liabilities for leases with lease terms of more than 12 months. Consistent with current generally accepted accounting principles, the recognition, measurement, and presentation of expenses and cash flows arising from a lease by a lessee primarily will depend on its classification as a finance or operating lease. However, unlike current GAAP, which requires only capital leases to be recognized on the balance sheet, the new update will require both types of leases to be recognized on the balance sheet. Who will be affected by the new guidance? You. When will the final accounting standards update be effective? For public companies, the update is effective for fiscal years and interim periods within those fiscal years beginning after December 15, 2018. Thus, for a calendar year company, it would be effective January 1, 2019. You had better get on it. Who is Avis & Young? Avis & Young is the fastest growing commercial real estate firm in the world, and we are FASB experts. With 80 offices in North America and Europe, we have experienced professionals who can provide significant guidance on how to structure leases for the maximum benefit, equity, and EBITDA.